Welcome guys to today's tutorial. So for today we're going to be doing anemone beaded fringe embroidery. Anemone beaded fringe embroidery. So we have a size 2 seed bead. So we're going to pick up 6 beads. We'll pick up 6 beads. We'll pick up the size 8 crystal bead and pick up 1 seed bead. Then we'll skip the last bead we put on and pass our needle through all the beads before, through all the previous beads, and then we pull it down, and then we'll pass our needle back through the line, through our fabric. Repeat the same. Pick up 6 seed bead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bead, 1 crystal bead, 1 seed bead. Pull everything to the end, skip the last bead, pass your needle through all the beads and into the fabric and pull. Don't pull it too tight so that it will still be free. Pass your needle, repeat the same process. Pick up 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pick up 6 beads. Pick up a crystal bead and pick up 1 seed bead. Skip the last bead. Skip the last bead. Pass your needle through all the beads. Pass your needle back through the fabric and come applique. So repeat the steps through to your desired length. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your patience. Thank you, my beautiful subscribers. To those of you watching who haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to this channel to get more lovely videos. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Thank you guys. Have a lovely day.